صارت السكر حبيبي واني النور هي قطعني معاك ومودي بكره.
سنافية عليه صلى الله ومن الله ما تزعلين ما تزعلين يا ولد عليه بالحرام يا ولد النس مزه يا المادل عليه مزه عبالها بتجرحني لو قالت عني بويا اتش وير يا حليلس والله يا حليلس. كلمة أخيرة نسيت أقولها أشوف الكومنتس عندي كلها سلك 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 سلك. أنا مو بنت أنا ولد أنا جاي أنا ولد. ودي أتميلح شوية قبل لا أنام وأمسح الحفلة اللي بوجهي هذه كلها. اسمحوا لي أتملح شوي. جد المحترمين على راسي من فوق بس أنا أحب أطقطق على السلايق وأحب أقول لهم حبيبي غابنتك استمر وتشاو.
لا واثقة من نفسها مش واخد بالها.
خلاص الحين أبشركم حريم فرصكم في السعودية.
So let me start. So my name is Salman. My name wasn't Salman when I was born about 28 years ago. It was Selma, in fact, like Selma Hayek, whose picture is actually on the Trust Women website. I saw that, so it made me feel a little more at home, at ease. So this is the place for me. So when I was born, I was a biological girl, and I lived the first 7 years of my life in the States. Actually, let me take a step back and let me start with, people always ask me, when did you know? Okay, when did it dawn on you? And my answer is, as far back as I've had consciousness. It's the same way that, we all have our sense of self at some point, and you are who you are, and you know how you feel. So it's that far back. So then the next question is usually, well, why did it take you so long to say something if you've known forever? And so it really got me thinking. And so this is where I've landed. When I was young,